Busy moms, busy individuals, this is the perfect weeknight meal for you. Just a few simple ingredients and you are off. So let's get to cooking and make that homemade chicken quesadilla. Just notice behind me here I have my Blackstone preheating, so I'm going to grab my olive oil and I'm just Now that I'm back in B-list, we gotta get back to the chicken. I've already just taken it out of the fridge, so all we gotta do is a little seasonings. Now for this meal, I'm telling you, it's gonna be all of a 2-minute prep time and about a 8-minute cook time. It is that simple, and this is perfect for not only your kids, but for your husbands, your friends, for everybody. And the quicker, the better, am I right? Because I'm a busy mom. I got a toddler, I got a husband, and this is it for me. Perfect weeknight meal. I love chicken cutlets simply because they are thin, they are quick to make, they are so simplistic you can use them literally virtually with any recipe that you have, and let's be honest, they're cheaper. Now's the fun part. We've got to make homemade guacamole. It is so easy. Really, it's a crowd pleaser, and if you're gonna do anything homemade, you'll wanna do the guac. In a bowl, you're gonna add 3 avocados. Just slice it down the middle, take the seed out, dice it, throw it in the bowl. You're gonna grab a couple of Roma tomatoes. You wanna chop these thin, as well as an onion. You can use sweet Vidalia like me, or a yellow onion. A little bit of garlic, gotta have that fresh garlic to it. A squeeze of lime juice, some salt and pepper, and then we've got to add chili powder and cumin that really zest up your guacamole. And then we're just gonna get to smashing. Now that the guacamole's done, you can go ahead and put that in the refrigerator if you want, but we're gonna go ahead and check on the chicken because I think it's about done here. And it is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so here's my little secret sauce, and it is so simple. Just by pre-made verde sauce. You wanna add a little bit on top of the chicken. This is the very last thing you're gonna do. This is just for simple added flavor. Now, the reason why you wanna just go ahead and turn off your griddle is because the sugar in the sauces will burn if you don't. You gotta make that homemade sauce, homemade sour cream sauce. This is going to elevate your quesadillas. In the sauce goes 1 cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of chili powder, salt and pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of lime juice too, and why don't we compound those flavors, add a little kick of that verde sauce. Building could not be any easier. Let's grab our chicken off the griddle. These things are so easy. You wanna take your chicken, you're gonna dice it up into small pieces. Then you're gonna go over to the griddle, you're gonna slap down those tortillas. My personal favorite is adding in that multi-grain for the kiddos, or you can even do gluten-free. Add your favorite shredded cheese. I personally like the shredded cheddar. Then you're gonna add that chopped chicken. And my personal favorite, I like to use some jalapenos in there. You don't have to add them, but they do add a little kick to it. Then you're gonna let it flip on over. You're gonna fold that quesadilla in half. Then it's time to chop and plate. For the plate, we're gonna add some lettuce down. We're gonna put our chopped quesadillas and all the favorite sauces that you have. These are looking fabulous. We've gotta dry it. I'm gonna use my special sauce we made earlier. Here we go, nice and hot. Cheesy, pop of kick from the jalapeno. That chicken and that marinade is so flavorful. I can't believe we made this in less than 10 minutes from start to finish. Now this is a quick weeknight meal. Remember, at the end of the day, whether it's for your kids, your friends, you wanna keep it quick, keep it simple, and keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode.